I'm going to teach you how to propagate a Sansevieria, a snake plant, realistically and simply at home. The first thing you need is something very accessible around your home. So a clean and empty jar. Now this used to be an olive jar. I washed this thoroughly with warm water and soap. A jar that you can find you can use. Second, you're going to need scissors. Now, normally I'd say pruning shears specifically, but if you're propagating with your family, I want to make this as accessible as possible. So I actually use kid scissors when I'm propagating with my children. Now I have this particular scissors, I purchased this particularly so that the kids can propagate with this. They don't use paper, they don't cut paper with the scissors. It's specifically our plant cutting scissors. Now you want to make sure that you wash your scissors in warm water and soap, or clean it thoroughly with alcohol. Then you're going to need your plant. My sister and her partner made me this beautiful cactus, but that's not what we're looking for today. We need a plant, and this is my Sansevieria that we're going to propagate today.
So there's two ways of propagating. One, you have to find a sturdy, healthy leaf within your plant. So take your time and look for that healthy leaf. And once you find it, you cut it at the base of the leaf. Once you cut it at the base of the leaf, you have two choices. One, you can either propagate that entire leaf, which you submerge the bottom, the base where you cut, in water, or you can actually cut multiple pieces from that leaf to propagate, and they both work equally. Once you have your cutting, you can place it in your jar and place some water in it. Now, I'm going to use some LECA, L-E-C-A, and the reason why I'm using LECA, they're basically clay balls. They provide extra oxygen to the plant.
Remember, propagation doesn't have to be perfect. It's our way of connecting with nature in a different and tangible way. Your plant wants to grow, and by propagating, you're giving it an opportunity to. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3